Namaste. Welcome to Hotel and Hospitality. This is Naveen Kumar Merugu, and in this video we're going to discuss about very important meal of a day, that is breakfast. The concept of having an early morning meal dates back to the centuries. Humans used stones to grind the cereals into paste to have their staple food, and the modern breakfast started from the Industrial Revolution. During the Industrial Revolution period, the employees or the laborers used to fed with a heavy meal before or prior to their work so that they can work hard and work for long hours. The descriptive word breakfast had come into existence from 19th century. So the name given for the meal, which is breaking the long fast from the previous day's dinner, is called as breakfast. We have main three typical type of breakfast. They are continental, American and English breakfast. The term continental breakfast actually originated in Britain in the mid-19th century. There, the phrase the continent refers to countries occupying the mainland of Europe. Therefore, a continental breakfast denotes the type of breakfast you would be served in places like France or Italy. Breakfast in these countries are light and delicate when compared to the full English breakfast. Continental breakfast. It is a lighter meal comprising of three courses. They are choice of juice, choice of breads and choice of hot beverages. When it comes to choice of juice, freshly squeezed fruit and vegetable juices like orange, pineapple, grapes and apple, and also other vegetable varieties like carrots and tomatoes, for an example, are served in this particular course. Choice of breads, like varieties of breakfast rolls like Danish, muffins, croissants, donuts and other breakfast bread varieties like white, brown and whole wheat breads are offered along with preserves. When I say it as preserves, jam, honey and marmalade and also butter are called as preserves. All the bread varieties are offered along with preserves. These are the accompaniment for breakfast bread varieties. When it comes to the choice of hot beverages, tea, coffee, hot chocolates and other health mixed drinks like Horlicks, Bonavita, etc. are offered along with cookies. There are a couple of terminology which we need to know when it comes to continental breakfast. They are café complete, thé complete, café simple and thé simple. Café complete. The term café complete is widely used in the continental Europe and means continental breakfast with coffee as the beverage. The term thé complete is used with the tea as a beverage. Means if the continental breakfast is consumed along with the tea, then it is called as thé complete. Café simple. If the guest is having only coffee in continental breakfast, it is termed as café simple. And in the same way, if the guest is consuming only tea in continental breakfast, it is termed as thé simple. American breakfast. American breakfast comprising of 5 courses. They are choice of juice, choice of cereals, choice of eggs, breads and choice of hot beverages. Coming to choice of juice, freshly squeezed fruit juices like orange, grapes, pineapple and apple and also some of the vegetable varieties like carrots and tomatoes are offered. Choice of cereals, cornflakes, wheat flakes, muesli, porridge and other varieties of cereals are offered along with hot or cold milk and sugar or honey. Coming to egg varieties, varieties of egg preparations like boiled eggs, scrambled egg, poached egg and lot of other varieties of omelets are offered along with a toast, grilled tomato and a hash brown potato. These omelets and egg varieties are also offered along with some of the meat varieties like ham and bacon. Coming to the choice of bread, breakfast rolls like Danish, croissants, muffins, donuts, brioche and other bread varieties like white bread, brown bread, whole wheat bread and also pancakes and waffles along with sugar syrup or honey are offered during this course. Coming to the choice of hot beverages, tea, coffee, hot chocolates and other health mixed drinks are offered along with cookies. English breakfast. It is also called as full breakfast as it contains 9 to 10 courses. They are choice of juice, fresh fruit cuts, stewed fruits, choice of cereals, choice of eggs, choice of fish and meat varieties, choice of breads and choice of hot beverages. These are the various courses are offered during English breakfast. Let us understand these courses in detail. We have already understood about some of the course varieties like choice of juice, breads, cereals and eggs. Let us understand about choice of fish and meat varieties and other courses which are included in English breakfast. Coming to choice of fish course, fried, grilled, poached and smoked varieties are offered in this course. The examples of fish like salmon, herring, haddock and kippers. Coming to the meat varieties, various types of bacons, ham and sausages are offered in this particular course. Along with these courses, English breakfast is also offered with various types of flavored yogurts and various varieties of nuts. These are the three types of breakfast and their explanation. Hope you understand the video. Please do not forget to click the like button, subscribe and bell icon. See you soon with a more interested subject videos. Thank you.